Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will provide an overview of the journaling feature. You can access the journaling feature in two different ways. First, through the performance stats. Here's the performance stats screen, and this is the date range we are looking at. You can see we've placed a few trades, which we went through in another video. If you scroll down to the calendar, you can see the exact date in trades and P&L that the trades were placed on. By clicking on any of these, let's choose the 18th since there is no note on there to begin with. We have a journal entry that will apply to that particular day. So by adding a journal, we can say, let's see, this is the 18th trade. And then we hit Save Journal, and it applies to that specific day. You can also scroll down and go to the exact trade. Now, although this day is showing it's on the 18th, the trade itself happened to be on the 17th, which was the evening before, but it counts on the 18th per the futures schedule. We can add a journal note to this specific trade. And here's the trade journal, and it shows the trade that we are entering the note on. So let's save this for the other screen. Now when I go back to my calendar, we will now see that there is a note on that particular day. We can also add a note on days we did not trade. For example, today is the 23rd, but what if I wanted to put a journal note on the 24th? And this could simply be a reminder. News at 8:00 a.m. For example, save the journal. We can see that it's saved. And now it will show that we have a note on this day where we can just click on it and bring us right back as a reminder. It's a pretty cool feature. We can also delete the journal if we do not want it, and it will remove it from the calendar. Now, while we are looking at our charts, we have the ability to place a journal entry right in the trades component as we see here. If you don't have the trades component, you can just click on the plus on any one of these modules, choose trades, and then drag it down to the area that you are interested in saving it. We have it here for trades, and we can see each individual trade listed out through the days that we have selected, and we can see the ability to read or enter new journal entries. So let's choose this trade. Click on the journal entry, and you can see it brings us right back to the screen we were on prior. So this is a specific trade entry, for example. Then we save our journal. You can see here, and once we close, we now have an indication that there is a journal entry on that particular trade on that particular day. It's a very useful tool, and we certainly encourage journaling your trades in your trading so you can look back and put a plan together and make adjustments as necessary. Well, this will conclude the overview of the TopstepX journaling feature.